Welcome to exception handling. Write robust code that never crashes. Here is what we will learn. Let's get started. Why do we need this concept? Without exception handling, a single error can crash your entire program. How do we handle unexpected errors gracefully? Program crashes on any error, no way to recover from failures, hard to debug what went wrong. Exception handling allows programs to recover from errors and continue running. How is exception handling used in the real world? File operations. Handle missing or corrupted files. Network communication. Manage connection failures gracefully. User input validation. Prevent invalid data crashes. Exception handling powers all these applications. Let's see the problem it solves. So what happens without exception handling? Program crashes when encountering invalid user input. Look at how messy the code gets. Program crashes abruptly. No user-friendly error messages. Cannot recover from errors. There has to be a better way. Here comes the solution. Exception handling. Look how clean the code is now. Prevents program crashes, graceful error recovery, clean error messages. Compare the difference. And that is why we use exception handling. Let's see how to implement exception handling in code. Here is the implementation. Try block. Start risky code. Risky operation. Division by 0. Catch exception. Handle arithmetic error. Print error. Display error message. Finally block. Always executes. Cleanup. Perform final actions. Now let's see the output of this code. Quiz time. Test your understanding. What is the purpose of a try-catch block? Which one is correct? The correct answer is catches exceptions to prevent program crashes. Which exception is thrown by integer.parseInt? Which one is correct? The correct answer is invalid number format causes number format exception. What does the finally block do? Which one is correct? The correct answer is finally block always executes for cleanup. What's the output? Which one is correct? The correct answer is prints A, catches exception. B, finally executes C. Here's a challenge for you. What's the output? Comment your answer below. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe.